we're filming this for posterity in case we don't make it out of this blizzard. We'll just we'll head out here to the front door. Well, frosty. Merry Christmas, almost. Let's see what it looks like outside our front door. Ugh. Awesome. There should be a church over there where we go often, but we can't really see it. And visibility, that's about half a block, I'd say, maybe. Pretty good stuff. All right. Alex, what do you think about the blizzard? You pretty happy?
Can you say snow?
Snow with a mouthful of cereal?
No.
Snow. Lots of snow, huh? Can you wave bye?